What's up guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to switch your profile in Play Store. So click on the Play Store and you want to click your profile on the upper right hand side. From here you will see where your email is at the top there. You can simply click the downwards arrow towards the right hand side next to your email and you'll be able to see those different profiles that you can select if you have additional emails. If you don't have other emails sign in, you can simply go ahead and click on manage your Google account and you can add those emails. If you want to add another email, you can simply click add another account, as you can see down at the bottom here. And if you have other emails, you can simply click on those email addresses and that will allow you to switch the profile. You might get a pop-up that says accept. You can click accept and you will see that the email account is changed. And that's it. You can always go back, click your profile and switch between accounts by clicking the downwards arrow and go ahead and select that email address and the profile will be changed. And that's it.